Hello everyone, welcome today, yes, it's Friday, almost weekend, Friday, July the 30th, end of the month, 2021. We have here in this daily newspaper two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy, and in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 6 extra puzzles or Sudokus, but first we will solve these two regular Sudokus. First one is a Sudoku Light, and this will be number 3171. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, we have here in each big square 4 printed digits, and we have in this puzzle 9 big squares, so 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. All right. Let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column. 3 in a column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see this is number 1, number 3. Alright. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the number? 8. Yeah, let me do the 8. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see this is number 2 and number 8. All right. How about the 2 in this column, the 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Okay. And then I cannot continue with the 2. Yeah, let me use another digit. How about the 6 in wait 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the last row. 4 in a row above, so in that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 4. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers are 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 6. Let me see. 2 missing numbers in the second row for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 6 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 6. Alright, 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 5 and number 9. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 6, I believe. Number 1, yes. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7. 5 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square. 1, 2. The 2 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 2 and a 5. 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. And 1 number left in this big square for the number 1, 2. 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku Light. I like this one, yes. Next week we will do a speed test, because it's the first week of the month. The first week of the month on Friday. The first Friday I will always do a speed test. So yeah, it looks like easy, but when the speed when you need to do this in a speed, then some pressure is there. So yeah, let me do this next week. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku heavy. How heavy? I do not know. We will see how heavy it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.